You weren't supposed to exist. Not really, not logically, not you, not Earth, not even atoms. But here you are, sitting on a tiny rock, spinning in the darkness of space, wondering, where did it all come from? How did we go from absolute nothing to this incredible, living, breathing universe? Today we'll unravel the greatest mystery of all, the beginning of everything. And trust me, it's not what you think. Let's start with a trick question. What existed before the universe? Most people imagine a black, empty void. But even emptiness needs space to exist in. And space needs time. And time? It didn't exist yet. So what was there? Nothing. But not the boring kind of nothing. Not an empty room. Not a dark space. This was quantum nothing. A strange, unstable nothingness that wasn't really nothing. It was waiting, trembling, like the moment before a spark. And then, boom! No one heard it. There was no sound, no air, no space, no around to explode into. But in one fraction of a second, everything, energy, matter, time, space, burst into existence. We call this the Big Bang. Though it wasn't really a bang, it was a rapid expansion of space itself, from smaller than an atom to bigger than a galaxy in less than the blink of an eye. This was not chaos. This was raw, brilliant, burning potential. The universe had begun. In the tiniest fraction of a second, the universe grew by a factor of, wait for it, 10 to the power of 78. That's a 1 followed by 78 zeros. Yeah, you can't picture that. No one can. It's like turning a marble into the Milky Way instantly. This process is called cosmic inflation, and it's one of the most mind-melting ideas in physics. Space itself wasn't just stretching, it was racing, faster than the speed of light. And inside this stretching space, particles started forming, energy began cooling, and the ingredients for, well, everything, began to take shape. The early universe was a furnace of particles. Quarks smashed into each other, forming protons and neutrons. Then came the first elements: hydrogen, helium, a dash of lithium, no carbon, no oxygen, no stuff to make stars, planets, or people. Yet, but it didn't take long. In fact, just 3 minutes after the Big Bang, the universe had cooked up the basic recipe. And then, it waited. For 380,000 years, the universe was a glowing fog. So hot, light couldn't move freely. Then suddenly, the fog cleared. Atoms formed, and light broke free. That ancient light is still out there, still traveling, and we've seen it. It's called the cosmic microwave background. It's not just background noise. It's the first selfie the universe ever took. Now the universe had atoms, space, and gravity. And gravity had a plan. It started pulling atoms together. Clumps became clouds. Clouds became balls of gas, and pressure turned them into stars. These weren't gentle stars like our sun. They were titans, burning bright, dying young, exploding in glory. Their deaths were spectacular. Supernovae, throwing heavy elements across space, iron, carbon, oxygen, even gold, all born in the fire of dying stars. Every atom in your body was once inside a star that exploded. You are literally made of stardust. As more stars were born and died, galaxies formed. Massive cities of stars, each holding hundreds of billions of suns. Galaxies spun, danced, collided. Gravity sculpted the universe like a cosmic artist. And eventually, around a random star, in a quiet corner of a quiet galaxy, a small blue planet formed. It had oceans, atmosphere, volcanoes, and over billions of years, life. Think about this. The universe started as a speck, then came atoms, then stars, then planets, then cells, then brains, then you. You are the universe, wondering where it came from. You are atoms asking questions. You are star stuff, with curiosity, and somehow against all odds, this chaos became conscious. Here's where it gets weird. Again, what if the Big Bang wasn't the beginning? What if it was just one bounce in a never-ending cycle? Some scientists think the universe could expand, then collapse, then expand again, forever. Others suggest we're in a multiverse, billions of other universes, each with their own rules. And some physicists, they think quantum fluctuations in a vacuum can create a universe from nothing, spontaneously. Wait, what? Yeah. According to quantum mechanics, empty space isn't really empty. It's buzzing with energy. And sometimes a tiny bubble pops into existence and becomes everything, like us. So how did the universe begin? We have theories, equations, clues, but no final answer. Yet maybe the real magic isn't just how it began, but that you're here to ask. You, a temporary collection of ancient atoms, can wonder about origins, infinity, and fate. So when you look at the stars tonight, don't just see distant dots. See your story, your family, your home. You are the fire that came from the first spark. And the universe? It's not just out there. It's in you. And if this journey through time, stars, and cosmic mysteries made you think even for a second, then don't let it end here. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the ride. Subscribe if you love deep questions and mind-blowing science, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a trip through the universe. Got a theory about how the universe began? Drop it in the comments. Let's explore it together. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are the universe, thinking about itself.